Hi students, we are going to discuss about the problems based on salt hydrolysis. So in the previous class I told you how to remember these formulae for various salt hydrolysis, various types of salt hydrolysis. One type is strong base versus weak acid. The hydrolysis constant Kh, how it is calculated, it is equal to Kw by Ka. Okay, so weak acid is involved, it will be Kw by Ka. You have to remember that way. And here if it is strong acid versus weak base, Kh will be equal to Kw by Kb. Weak base is involved. Here both are involved, then Kh will be equal to Kw by Ka into Kb. Okay, so Kw by Ka into Kb. So and then hydrolysis, degree of hydrolysis, root of Kw by Ka into C, here root of Kw by Kb into C, here root of Kw by Ka into Kb. And pH also I explained, 7 plus will come because strong base is involved. So plus half pKa plus half log C, C is the concentration of the salt. Here 7 minus half pKb minus half log C, here weak base is involved. Okay, so and then pH is equal to 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb, log C won't come in the case of weak acid versus weak base. Okay, this is how we have to remember the formula. So now we are going to do one problem which is in the textbook. Okay, so this is the problem. What is the problem? It is in page number 24, example 8.8. It is given as worked example. It is worked in the book, but I just want to explain the problem. Okay, calculate the hydrolysis constant, that is Kh, degree of hydrolysis H, pH, okay, for a salt 0.1 molar concentration of the salt. C is CH3COONa. And this salt, when it is hydrolyzed, the acid formed is acetic acid. The pKa for the acetic acid is 4.74. These are the given data. So we all know that the sodium acetate is formed by the neutralization between strong base versus weak acid. Strong base sodium hydroxide and weak acid acetic acid. So here the given data, concentration of the salt is 0.1 m, which is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 1 m. pKa value is 4.74. These two data alone is given. Okay, so having the pKa, how we are going to do the problem? So what we have to find? We have to find Kh, we have to find H, okay, and we have to find pH. So what is Kh? Kh, because I already told you strong base and weak acid is involved, Kh will be equal to Kw by Kb. Weak acid is involved, it is Ka, Kw by Ka. What is H? H is equal to root of Kw by Ka into C. What is pH? Okay, so we know what is pH. What is pH? pH is equal to 7 plus half pKa, because weak acid is involved, plus half log C. So we know the formula for all these three. So we have to work out this. So first we need to find out Ka, but we are given only pKa. How to find out Ka from pKa? So we know that power of anything is minus negative log of that component. So minus log of Ka is equal to 4.74. Log Ka is minus 4.74. Ka is anti-log of minus 4.74. Minus 4.74 can be written as minus 5 plus 0.726. Okay, 74 minus 100 is 26. So Ka is equal to, this minus 5 will become 10 power minus 5. Anti-log of 0.26 is 1.8. So Ka is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Kh, what is the formula? Kw by Ke. Kw is 1 into 10 power minus 14. Ke is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Finally, you get Kh value 5.56 into 10 power minus 10. Okay. So now we found KH. We want to find out H, degree of hydrolysis. So here KH is equal to root of KW by KA into C. You can also substitute this KH value here, KW by KA value here. But I want to cancel this 10 powers. So I am just putting as such KW is 1 into 10 power minus 14 by 1 into 10 power minus 14 by 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 1. Concentration is 10 power minus 1. So cancelling all this, 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 14 becomes here 10 power minus 6, here minus 8. Okay, so 1 by 1.8 is 0.75. Okay, so into 10 power minus 4, actually minus 8 when it's coming out minus 4. 0.75 becomes 7.5 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, so that is the value of H. So we found the degree of hydrolysis also. Then our purpose is also to find out pH. pH is equal to 7 plus half pKa by 2, half pKa plus half log C. So here 7 plus pKa value is 4.74. Okay, so by 2 plus log 0.1 by 2. 0.1 is nothing but 10 power minus 1. Okay, so next is 7 plus 2.37 plus half log 10 power minus 1. X power m becomes m log x minus 1 log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So it is just written as minus 1. And here how 1 by 2 is, it should be multiplied, so it is minus half, that is minus 0.5. And here 7 plus 4.74 by 2 becomes 2.37, 9.37 minus half, you will get 8.87. pH value is 8.87. Since the pH is greater than 7, the solution is basic. This is how we have to do the problem. So we calculated the KH value, hydrolysis constant, H, degree of hydrolysis, and also pH. Okay, pH 8.87. So all these three data which are asked is calculated. So another problem which is given in the evaluate yourself part in the same page, page number 24 in the second volume. Okay, so that only we are going to do now. So here, evaluate yourself 10, page number 24, calculate hydrolysis constant again, KH, degree of hydrolysis, H and pH. Here they have given 0.05 m sodium carbonate solution. Sodium carbonate is a salt which is formed between carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. Carbonic acid is weak acid, sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Okay. So again same formula. Here the concentration C is given, which is equal to 0.05 m, which is 5 into 10 power minus 2 m. So Ka is given as, pK is given as 10.26. From that we can obtain the value of Ka by the same method. Minus 10.26 can be written as minus 11 plus 0.74. Finally you get Ka is equal to 5.49. This minus 11 becomes 10 power minus 11. 5.49 is the antilog value of 0.74. KH is equal to KW by KA. That is a formula. KW is 1 into 10 power minus 14. Ka is 5.49 into 10 power minus 11 and gets cancelled. You get minus 3. 0.1821 is 1 by 5.49 is 0.1821. It becomes 1.821. 10 power minus 3 becomes 10 power minus 4. That is the value of KH. So KH we have found. We are going to find out the value of H. H is KW by KC. And what happens? KW is 1 into 10 power minus 14 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, well, this 10 power minus 1 won't be there. So 10 power minus 14, actually after cancelling only you will get, by 5.49 into 10 power minus 11 is Ka into 5 into 10 power minus 2 is C. 10 power minus 2 minus 11, 10 power minus 14 gets cancelled. You get 10 power minus 1. So that only I have written there. So 1 by 5.49 into 5, everything becomes 6.036 into 10 power minus 1 becomes minus 2 because it is 0.6036. So it becomes 6.036 in 10 power minus 2. That is the degree of hydrolysis. So pH value is 7 plus half pKa plus half log C. Half pKa is 10.26 by 2, which is 5.13. Half log C is log 0.05, that is 5 into 10 power minus 2. So log 5 plus minus 2 log 10 base 10. Okay. So that becomes minus 2 by 2 becomes minus 1. Log 5 becomes 0.6990 by 2. So here 7 plus 5.13 is 12.13 plus 0.6990 by 2 minus 1. 12.13 minus 1 is 11.13. Okay. So 12.13 plus 0.35, 6990 by 2 is 0.35 minus 1. 11.13 minus 0.35 becomes pH 10.78. pH is greater than 7, the solution is basic. Okay, so this is how the problem is done. You understand? So hope you have understood these two problems, which are very important. Okay, so you must be able to do the problems based on salt hydrolysis. Okay, so thank you children. I'll meet you in the next class.